Hi, my name is Nick, and I am a freshman at Wilmington Early College High School in Wilmington, North Carolina. Today, we are going to learn some things to do in Microsoft Excel 2013. I am going to teach you how to print using the Backstage view, how to access and view the Backstage view, and how to access and use Excel templates. The objective numbers for this lesson is 1.1.2, 1.5.1, 1.5.3, 1.5.4, and 1.5.7. The first thing I'm going to teach you is how to access and use the Backstage view. You can access the Backstage view by clicking on the File tab in the top left corner of the ribbon. There are 11 different things you can choose from to do. At the very top is the Info tab, which you can see basic information on the workbook and a few other options. Second down is the New tab, which you can create a new workbook with. Third down is the Open tab, which you can go to if you want to open a workbook already created. Under that is the Save and Save As tabs. Save can be used if it has already been saved with a name and file and can be accessed at the moment, or else it goes to Save As by default, which you can save it again in a new file with a new name. Next down is the Print tab, which we will talk about next. Then the Share tab is there under Print. You can use this tab to share your document. Then is the Export tab under the Share tab, which is similar to Share, except it has saved as a PDF file, etc., while the Share is just sending it to someone. The next down is the Close tab, which closes out the workbook. Under Align is the Account and Options tabs. In the Account tab, you can change the look of the theme of the office or the background, along with personal information such as the author's name, etc. In the Options tab, you can see different options for the workbook, such as things from the ribbon parts like fonts and stuff from different parts of the File tab. Now let's talk about the Print tab. The tab is found under the File tab on the main ribbon. Before printing, you must make sure that you have what you want correctly. You can print more than one copy at a time. You must also choose the printer you are using so it is correct. In the setting part, you can print the sheets you are on or a certain number of pages. You can also choose the orientation as landscape or portrait. Also, make sure you have your letter size, which is the paper size, and the margin size is correct. Last choice to make is the scaling. You have 4 different options to choose from scaling. The last thing we are going to talk about in this lesson is accessing and using the Excel templates. When you first go into Microsoft Excel 2013, you can choose what kind of template you want to use. Choose the one that best fits your purpose for the workbook. That concludes this lesson. In this lesson, you have learned how to print using the Backstage view, how to access and view the Backstage view, and how to access and use Excel templates. Don't forget, the objective numbers for this lesson is 1.1.2, 1.5.1, 1.5.3, 1.5.4, and 1.5.7. Now go put that information to good use.